Hi Sanrio Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Christmas tree Hello Kitty. So let's get started. To draw this cute Christmas tree, let's first start by drawing a big oval for Hello Kitty's eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve and bring it down, go around and connect. And then I'm going to come right across nice and wide, so say about right here, and draw another oval. There. So I have my two ovals in. I'm going to come right about here, the top, and draw a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. Fix my oval. Okay, so same thing over here. There. Now the eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes about right here in the center, and I'm going to draw a small oval for the nose. Right in the center. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So let's see here. Let's come to the center of our eye. I'm going to come out, say about this wide. And same thing here, about this much. And then from there, I'm going to, let's go upwards. And we're going to draw a curve going up. So we're going to start to draw the top of her face. So top of her head, I mean. And about right there, I'm going to go ahead and pop in her ear. So nice big curve, round off the tip and bring it down. And as I bring it down, I'm just kind of imagining this curve continuing, this big ovalish head. So I'm going to imagine that continuing to say about right here and bring my ear down. Then from there, I'm just continuing this curve. So hopefully you're using a pencil. You can just draw this big curve for her head. And I'll just bring it to about right there in the center and I'll stop. And then let's go ahead and we're going to bring down the bottom curve, go around the eye. So same thing here. Go around the eye. So whatever is easier, you can draw the bottom first or the top. I'm going to come back to my center and say about right here, and I'm just going to kind of imagine how low I want her head to go. So I'm going to say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw this curve to finish off Hello Kitty's head. So definitely turn your body or the paper, whatever helps you to draw this big curve. But then again, I am drawing pretty big, so does get a little bit harder. So that's why I draw in these points. It makes it a little bit easier for me to see where I'm going. Okay, so now I've created this huge curve. And so the reason I'm leaving this huge space right here is because we have to draw the bow, right? But once again, if you're using a pencil, you would just go ahead and draw her head with the ears and connect back to here. So let's come back, and since I can't erase, I'm going to go above this eye, come up, imagining this curve right here. Go up on top of the eye and say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a big circle for the center of our bow. So it's the easiest way I found to draw Hello Kitty's bow in this area, just kind of above this eye. Then from there, we're just going to go ahead and draw the loops. So everything is at this angle for our bow. Just keep that in mind. And say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. Nice big loops. So same thing here. There, so I got the bow in, and we're going to come about right here and draw in a little loop for some detail. Then I'll finish off my curve, whatever space I have left, and same thing here. So about right here, just finish off the head. And then for the ears, so just kind of imagining the head is stop about right there, and then it's going to pop out. So let's say about right here, and I'll drag this point across, just approximate, give myself a point, and round off the tip. And imagine it coming down. So let's bring in this curve. So just approximate in that area. There. And then from there, let's draw her whiskers. Very important. So let's come back to where her eyes are. So say about right here. We're going to draw 3 whiskers. 2 and 3. And same thing here, just like the other side. 1, 2, and 3. Then from there, let's go ahead and I'm going to come back to the top right here and draw a little band in this area before I forget, and then add my star for her headband. So I'm going to find my center up about right here, give myself a point, and I'm just going to add this little triangle, and on top of this triangle I'll just start about right here, right in the center. I'm going to draw my star. There, stick that right in the center and in. From there, let's go ahead and work on her dress. So I'm going to come to the center. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to center her dress, and I'm just going to go ahead and draw an angle line out on both sides. Create this very simple dress to make it look like a tree. So I'll bring it down to say about right there. And here, now same level, I'm going to go ahead and connect it at a curve, but with a bunch of curves. So to kind of like a Christmas tree, the bottom of a Christmas tree, and go back up and connect there. And then we need to layer our Christmas tree. So let's say about right here, I'm going to draw in 1 layer. So just a bunch of curves. And then 1 more about here. And connect. There. So hopefully that's going to start looking like a Christmas tree. And then let's draw the sleeve. So let's come about right here and bring down a curve. And then we're going to go in. Same thing here. Just nice and simple. And bring it in. And I'll just add a stripe here and a stripe here. And then for the hand, I just come in a little bit and just curve in. Same thing here. Come down and curve in. And then for the feet, find your center. So about right here. And I'm just going to straight line down, and then I'm going to curve out on both sides. So about right here, I'm going to bring in a curve and connect with a soft curve for her feet. So same thing here. There. Okay, so now to make it extra festive and fun, let's decorate her dress. So I'm going to come to the top right here, and let's start with our first string of lights and decorations. So I'll just come right about here and just loop 1 string across, and maybe one that comes down here, goes across, and then another one. There. You pop it out if you like. Maybe just make it look more like a string. There. And so then now you can add whatever you like. So like maybe in this space, I have some space. I'm just going to put in a little star at an angle. But it's all up to you. Maybe a circle going this way. Let's see here. Another one going that way. Here. And then maybe in this space, we could add, so many options here. Maybe another star. And then over here we could add maybe a candy cane. It's kind of small, but hopefully you get the idea of things you can add. Maybe, well, let's make sure we add some of these circular lights first. And I definitely need to add a heart, so I'll add a little heart right here. And then another light. You know, I'll just simplify and just leave it like that before I overcomplicate everything as usual. But hopefully you get the idea. So like I said, you can add as much as you want if you have enough space. And that is pretty much it for my Hello Kitty just as a Christmas tree to celebrate Christmas and the holidays. I really hope you love this drawing and that brings a smile to your day. And if it did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.